So this is the first time I'm working with this company, and I can honestly say this wig is beautiful and lightweight, you guys. So let's start off with installing this. So my natural hair is out and it's pressed, so I'm going to just brush it and put it in a nice little bun. And so that's what I'm gonna do here. Just comb it out, brush it, use a little edge control, yeah, a little bit of edge control, and then just brush it everything back and put it in a neat little bun. Now, before we get all the way into the tutorial, let me show you how the packaging came. This is from KarlaMi Hair. This is my first time working with this company, and this is everything that came in with the package. I have some clips, some melting band, wig caps, a thank you card, and this wig does have a tag on it. So this is their, I believe, 8x6 wig, a water wave highlighted unit, and this is their lightweight cap. When I say this cap is breathable, and it's not heavy at all, and that lace is HD, like, friend, this is a complete glueless unit. If you don't want to use glue, you can definitely have this glueless, but look at it, the hair was soft and it smelled good as well. So let's go ahead and jump into the tutorial. So I'm going to go ahead and put my stocking cap on, and I am going to use Ruby Kisses in the shade 16 and put that all over my cap, and also I'm going to put it underneath the lace. So off camera, I did go in and pluck it a tad bit, not too much, and I did give myself baby hairs. I just find that that is just easier for me to just do off camera than doing it while it's on my face. And so I'm just adjusting the wig to my head. I am a size 22.5, so if you're around a 22.5 or a 23, you could definitely fit this wig. I definitely have a lot of hair underneath, and so if it fits me definitely snug. If you have a smaller head, you can adjust this wig to make it smaller for you, because it does have that elastic adjustable string in the back. Okay, so I did go ahead and put that same makeup on my lace, so you can see that it blend in. And this is my glueless product that I love to use. This just helps me secure the lace from flapping up while I'm out throughout the day. This is my Red by Kiss spray. This is my favorite spray to use, and it doesn't leave any residue or anything. I could just take the wig off and put it back on the following day. And so I usually spray it, I wait for it to get a little tacky, I lay it down, and then I'll just go ahead and blow dry it. There was a little bit of excess of lace that was sticking out, so I did just go ahead and cut that off. And then I'm going to just go ahead and make the wig neat in the front of my hairline, just to make it look just super realistic. So I am going to use my wax stick. All the items that I use, including the wig, will be listed in the description box for you guys. And then with the hot comb, I'm just going to go in and just make sure that the hair is super neat and flowing the way that I want it to flow. I absolutely just adore ready to wear wigs, because it does not require a lot of work to make it look nice. So I did comb the hair out, and now I'm going in with some water and some mousse. This is my favorite mousse to use. This is Cantu Wave and Whip, and I put a lot in the hair. I'm very generous with it, and I do go in with my Got To Be Free spray at the end and lightly spray the hair so it could stay wet looking. And then I did go ahead and let it dry for a little bit. And like I said, after you spray the Got To Be in there, it's going to give a wet appearance. And I love that, instead of having super fluffy hair. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you are interested in this wig, I will have everything listed down below for you guys. Thank you, KarlaMi Hair, for sponsoring this video. I do enjoy this wig. And until next time, bye, best friends.